In this video, I am going to show you how you can expand any image with Canva AI. Yes, you can now do a lot of things with Canva. Let's open Canva. We are now in the homepage of Canva app. Now we will take a blank design of a Facebook post and I will show you how you can expand this image with Canva AI. Let's upload our image which we want to expand. Here is our image. Adjust the image into the right position. Now tap on FX and then scroll left and you will find Magic Expand. Select Magic Expand and then select the area where you want to expand the image. I want to expand the image in the whole page. I am selecting the whole page and then tap on Magic Expand. Wait a few seconds here and Canva will do the magic. Canva has done our job. Here Canva will suggest you 4 images. You can check one by one and select your favorite one. When you found your image, then tap done and our expansion has been done. Now you can edit this image for your others design. That was our today's video. By this way you can use Canva AI Magic Expand tool to expand any image according to your preferred size. Friends, if this video was helpful for you, please give it a like and share this video to your friends. Subscribe to the channel to get more this kind of videos regularly. Thanks for watching.